Hello, everybody, and welcome to the exciting session, which is a product launch of the UPI AutoPay.
In the last 5 years, India has made rapid strides as far as adoption of digital technology is concerned. Technology is now all-pervasive. We have maximum number of internet banking users and mobile banking users. The startups and fintechs, they are changing the way the Indians live their lives. And there is a digital solution for almost every problem. I would definitely like to mention at least two innovations, AADHAR and UPI, which are unique to the country. They have received attention globally, and in terms of scale, it is unimaginable scale. State Bank of India, we are at the forefront of adopting the digital technology to make the lives of our customers simple. And whether it is the normal transactions or taking the loans or any liability product or the investment products, the State Bank has built a great platform in YONO. Today we have 25 million satisfied customers on YONO, and they are growing every day. I was at the launch of UPI 2, and today I have the opportunity to be present at the launch of AutoPay facility. This product was being demanded by many companies, and I'm happy that UPI has launched this product. And I know that it will be very convenient to all the customers for their payments of utilities or wherever they are subscribing to any entertainment channel, and the periodic payments have to be made. I wish great success, and UPI is a great innovation of which all of us are very proud.
I'm delighted to be speaking today at the event to launch UPI Pay. Over the years, NPCI has become an innovation powerhouse. NPCI was set up by the RBI originally in 2009 to take over the ATM networks and other domestic retail payments. In the last decade, many innovations have been developed by NPCI in the area of digital payments, which have had a huge impact on Indian economy. For example, IMPS, the immediate payment system, is the backbone of remittances industry. And as more and more migrants have moved from rural India to urban India and from north to south and east to west, an important lifeline for them has been IMPS, which has shown remarkable growth in the last decade. Another example is the work by NPCI along with UIDAI to build the Aadhaar-enabled payment system, which allows people to withdraw money village from a local business correspondent just by using their Aadhaar number and a biometric authentication. This system was very handy during the whole crisis of COVID, and in the months of May and June saw 400 million transactions in each month, which again enabled millions of poor people to access their money in their bank accounts. The Aadhaar payment built also the foundation for the direct benefit transfer, and India today runs the world's largest direct benefit transfer program. And then FAG, which NPCI runs for the road transport system, has been a huge success in creating contactless payments for trucks on highways, and tomorrow will be the basis for other kinds of payments like parking payments and congestion charge payments. After all this has been the building of UPI, a state-of-the-art modern digital payment infrastructure based entirely on open source and really a whole new breakthrough in the way payments are done. Today, UPI has become the biggest payment system in India, doing over 1.3 billion payments a month. Today, NPCI is now upgrading and re-architecting the system to take the transaction volume to 1 billion per day. And this will really be a remarkable achievement for this state-of-the-art payment system built on open source and fundamentally architected the way that large systems are architected for the internet. As part of UPI, recurring mandates has been a very important requirement, because that allows people to set up a rule where they can make sure that payment can be repeated, and the system currently at that to a cap of 2,000 rupees. Recurring payments can be used in a wide variety of circumstances: EMI payments, SIPs for investors, or for subscriptions. There are many, many use cases for recurring payments. In fact, the RBI Committee on Deepening of Digital Payments, which I chaired and which submitted its report in May 2019, one of its important recommendations was that we should introduce recurring payments in UPI. And therefore, I'm really delighted that this recommendation is now being implemented and being rolled out by NPCI today. And I do believe that it will act as a impetus to the momentum and volume of transactions that we are already seeing in UPI, and allow them to reach the goal of 1 billion transactions a day. We have long been planning a digital payments economy, and we are seeing now the way towards that, with digital payments more than the cash withdrawals happening. And as we provide more and more of these user-friendly services like AutoPay, which allows you to set up a recurring mandate, we will see more and more adoption of digital payments. And that's very much what the country and the national goal is, to increase the proportion of digital payments and reduce the amount of cash that we use in our economy. Again, as I said, this is an example of innovation. This innovation is not just what India, the BIS in one of its papers has talked about how this is a globally important innovation. Companies like Google have written Fed to say that the US should adopt a payment system like UPI. And therefore, I think NPCI and India have to be truly proud that they have created a real innovation in UPI, and now with UPI AutoPay that is drawing international global attention. So let me say that this UPI AutoPay launch is something which I'm very happy to hear about, and I wish all success today and hope that it will contribute greatly to even further growth of UPI. I would like to thank NPCI for this opportunity to be at this important and auspicious event. And now I hereby launch UPI AutoPay.
Open the app. Select the type of insurance you wish to buy. Choose the cover amount, coverage, and payment frequency. Select from the list of available plans. Select the benefit payout to nominee and proceed. Check the details of the plan and check out. Select Pay with UPI. Enter your UPI ID and proceed. You will receive a notification to open your UPI-enabled app. Select the notification received to open your UPI-enabled app. Enter your app passcode. Check the details of the mandate and select the bank account to debit the mandate amount from. Accept the terms and approve to proceed. Enter your UPI PIN to authorize the mandate. Your mandate has been created successfully.
UPI AutoPay is a big milestone for the UPI product roadmap. Starting with person-to-person payments, moving on to the person-to-merchant payments. Now the repeat mandate functionality gives seamless, convenient usage for people to set up repeat payments across a variety of applications. Now, not only on one hand is the convenience of payments, but on the other hand is the comfort and confidence that the user is still in control of the payment being made. And this is done through mandatory notifications on setting up a mandate, as well as 24 hours before a payment is made, every time that it is made, so that the consumer knows that the payments are being made on schedule and with their knowledge. They can also make changes to the mandate as they require to do so. Now, mandates can be set up with daily frequency, weekly frequency, monthly, annually, and as and when necessary. So you can imagine this opens up an entire array of applications. Think of setting up your favorite streaming service with a repeat mandate, taking a bus pass, train ticket travel, DTH or television, media subscriptions, insurance payments that can be made, monthly, weekly, micro SIP investments that can be made at any frequency, as well as daily EMI payments. So the options that this would open up is just endless, and it is only for our imagination to take us to the range of applications there. And I am so delighted to invite senior bankers in India who are joining us to talk to us about the solution and the innovative applications that they are launching out in the market today.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to thank all my colleagues and seniors at NPCI for having me here, my seniors at RBI, my industry colleagues, service partners, merchants, all of whom I'm sure will be here on this webinar. It's a great occasion to really meet in this form and manner, and I congratulate UPI on this important event of the launch of the AutoPay feature on UPI. This feature is a big step forward in customer convenience. It offers customers the significant benefit of being able to register their recurring payments one time without the hassle, without the fear of forgetting their monthly payments. I'm also given to believe that this product also offers many other value-added services such as pre and post transaction alerts to remind him or to inform him about the success of a transaction. It also gives him the facility to opt in or opt out depending on his convenience, or to modify the payments as per his requirements. Customer centricity has always been at the center of HDFC Bank's customer approach. And within that, one tenet of this customer-centric philosophy is the need to constantly look at customers' needs, current needs, and evolving needs, and developing products and services which continually add value to customers so that they keep on coming back again and again and continuously use our product, thereby driving a huge amount of customer engagement. This product is exactly which matches this kind of philosophy, and therefore it's my great pleasure to say or to announce that we are bringing and launching this feature together with our first partner, Policy Bazaar. With this feature announced on Policy Bazaar, customers will now be able to make their monthly recurring insurance payments, both life and non-life, in a convenient and safe manner by one-time registering. We believe it will significantly expand the market because till now, people could make their payments by making a lump sum payment, but now people will be able to make monthly payments of their insurance policies. At the same time, therefore, addressing a need of the customer to look at their monthly cash flows. It's a great feature. Post the launch on Policy Bazaar, we've lined up several more partners of ours in the space of utilities, telecom, direct-to-home, subscription services, etc., and we believe, therefore, that this feature will be seen by many, many more customers in the area of recurring payments, and we do believe it will be a grand success.
Hi. UPI, in a very short period of time, has become an important and dominant player in the payment ecosystem. It's become the preferred mode of payment for both P2P and merchant transactions. Over the last year, we have seen many innovative use cases emerge, especially on the merchant transactions. Today, with the launch of UPI AutoPay, I'm sure it will ease the process of collecting recurring payments. We are sure this offering will benefit the entire ecosystem, including banks, merchants, and the customers. ICICI Bank has always been a front runner in offering innovative payment solutions. We have offered many use cases on UPI, and today we are very pleased to be launching the UPI AutoPay. The use case that we have is in the entertainment segment. As all of you are aware, during this pandemic, the usage of OTT and digital media for entertainment has seen an exponential growth. This solution will make it very easy for consumers to set up their recurring autopay for their subscriptions. I am sure the solution will have wide acceptance across the merchants as well as the customers. I would like to thank the entire NPCI team for making the solution happen. Thank you.
We are happy to partner with NPCI on this new feature that we are launching today on UPI called AutoPay. We've been working with NPCI and the entire ecosystem since the beginning of UPI, from the initial days as it started to when it has grown to become one of the fastest growing payment products in the whole world, to the new features added earlier on UPI 2.2 and now UPI AutoPay.
In this era of technology, UPI AutoPay will help customers to pay their utility bills in a smart, convenient, and safe way. Consumers can benefit from this feature tremendously, as mandates are generated instantly and payments get deducted automatically on the authorized date. The customers have to authenticate their account through UPI PIN for one time, and subsequent monthly payments would be debited automatically, making their life easier without any stress of late fee charges. UPI AutoPay will be an additional boost to UPI, which has been witnessing a surge in usage.
The ongoing pandemic situation has made the digital payments more relevant. Social distancing and work from home has given an exponential growth to the demand for the digital media. The AutoPay feature introduced by National Payments Corporation of India is a need of the hour and step in the right direction. Just subscribe to the AutoPay feature on the media platform of your choice and use uninterrupted digital media service. ATM Payments Bank congratulates the National Payment Corporation of India for it.
Thank you, NPCI, for inviting IndusInd Bank for the launch of the UPI recurring payments functionality. For us at IndusInd, technology and innovation have always been a very critical focus area. It has helped us to create industry benchmarks and also provide our customers with best-in-class service. Our approach completely echoes with the NPCI and its innovative products like BHIM UPI. To me, BHIM UPI actually changed the landscape of electronic payments in India. Payment products like UPI have majorly contributed towards reducing the dependency of cash within our systems. Since its launch, we have received so much of positive response from our customers for creating their UPI IDs through our UPI platforms. Add to this, specifically in this COVID times, we have widened our reach across sectors, segments. We have collaborated with payment aggregators to enable users to make payments at the retail outlets with their mobile phones using UPI. And now, with the UPI AutoPay functionality coming into play, I think it's another path-breaking feature from NPCI. And this will enable all our customers to have seamless payments towards recurring expenses like insurance premiums, monthly EMIs, our utility payments, mutual fund SIPs with partners like CAMS in a very seamless manner. This new functionality will also add benefits for people like us who are staying in metro cities, specifically in COVID times when the new norm is social distancing, contactless payments. I think this instant payments will help all of us on our daily travel purposes without even having to spend time waiting in the long queues. We can subscribe to our monthly travel passes at the click of a button. And more so, you can set reminders so you don't need to remember your last date. There will be a pop-up and you can just, at the click of the button, renew the travel passes. So going forward, I think we aim to collaborate with NPCI and be a partner for such innovative features. It'll only help UPI to be a preferred a payment model, and hence will also help our government's Digital India mission. Thank you. God bless. Stay safe. Stay healthy.
Good morning or good afternoon, everyone, depending on whichever part of the world you are logging in from for this event. As you can see, this pandemic has ensured that people stay within the confines of their homes, prefer to shop online, and get the essentials home delivered, which has significantly boosted the e-commerce ecosystem in the country. Also, the perceived health risk associated with handling physical cash has encouraged the behavior of paying digitally. Multiple digital payment options, including UPI, have already been available at the time of checkout. However, UPI AutoPay will further enhance the online shopping experience and will give an impetus to the usage of digital payment option instead of cash. It will provide an alternative to EMI on cards, whereby the online shopper can choose the buy now, pay later option and sign up for UPI AutoPay at the time of checkout. The agreed number of EMIs will be debited from the linked bank account using the UPI rails, thereby providing a secure, reliable, convenient, and cost-effective digital payment option to both consumers and merchants. We at HSBC India are delighted to be one of the early partners to NPCI on this significant enhancement to the UPI ecosystem and roll out the UPI AutoPay solution for clients in the e-commerce space, as well as a few other use cases across industries.
With so many individuals working from home and discovering new furniture needs during lockdown, the demand for rental furniture is at an all-time high. And with consumers opting for contactless payments, UPI has become their preferred mode. But now, UPI AutoPay will be the next stepping point in the digital payments innovation of this country, as consumers can easily set up recurring payments using their UPI apps. With a limit of Rs 2,000 in every cycle, it makes renting furniture extremely convenient and affordable for all consumers. Pre-debit notifications are sent 24 hours prior to the payment, allowing businesses to give better visibility to their customers. I believe this will definitely be a game changer for subscription-led businesses in the country. We are really excited to partner with NPCI to launch support for UPI AutoPay and provide all our partner businesses with a truly world-class payment experience. Thank you.
UPI, one of the most preferred payment tools used by the Indians and now for the world to imitate. NPCI now brings another innovative addition to the stack by enabling recurring payments through UPI, UPI AutoPay. The feature helps businesses automate billing, improve cash flows, and offer better pricing, and thus giving the customers complete control in authorizing the requested payment. A 24-hour pre-notification helps the customers to be aware of the charges to be levied, thus making it completely safe and secure. Now,
PayU merchants can offer UPI AutoPay to all its customers, paying through UPI and start collecting recurring payments easily. So get started with UPI AutoPay.